Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be going over how to install Nagios XI manually. Manually installing Nagios XI gives you more control over the installation process, making it ideal for air-gapped or restricted environments where internet access may be limited or automated scripts may fail. It ensures all dependencies are handled explicitly, reducing the risk of unexpected issues during setup. Let's dive right into today's installation process. In order to install Nagios XI manually, especially with the latest version of Nagios XI, there are only 5 commands we need to run. I'm going to be installing Nagios XI and a fresh instance of CentOS 9. Other distributions of Linux work just as well. The first command we're going to want to type in is cd/tmp to get into the temp directory. Now we're going to want to type in wget space https://downloads/xi/latest.tar.gz. Now that command is done, now we can tar space xzf space xi-latest.tar.gz. Now we can cd into Nagios XI. Now the final command we want to type in is /full install -n. We can verify that the installation has successfully completed by at the bottom it's saying Nagios XI installation complete. You can now access the Nagios XI web interface, and then we have a URL with an IP address. We can just copy the whole thing, head to our favorite browser, and paste it in there. Here we have some final installation steps. We have some general system settings. Starting at the top, we have the program URL, the time zone, language, the user interface theme, and then either to use HTTPS only. Beneath this, we have our license type, whether you have a trial, license, or free. For demo purposes today, I will be using trial. After this page is fully configured to your liking, we can click next. Lastly, for the setup pages, we have the admin account settings. Here we have the admin username, admin password, the admin full name, and then the email address associated with the admin account. For demo purposes, I will be changing my password to something super simple, but we highly recommend changing it to something extremely secure. After you fully configure this page, we can click Finish Install. We now can click Login to Nagios XI. And then using those credentials that you just configured, let's type those out. Let's click Login. Accept the license agreement. And we have officially installed Nagios XI manually. And that's it. It's a seamless and efficient process. For any more questions or additional assistance that may be needed, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and happy monitoring.